Hello, this is a video demonstration for Brown Book page number 2, song number 1, 2, and 3. Please practice the first song, number 1, my first song, number 2, Notes and Rest, and then for this video I'm going to demonstrate song number 3, which is called Three's a Crowd. For most of the songs on this page, we are using note values called quarter notes that have the black circle filled in with a stem. We also have what's the squiggly symbol called a quarter note rest. The time signature for these pieces are 4/4, simply meaning that there are 4 beats in one measure, which are consisting of these spaces divided by these vertical lines. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 measures in song number 3. There are 2 measures in song number 2 and 1. So here we go. Let's just first count song number 3 by clapping and counting. So I'm going to give you 4 beats before we start. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. So on the rest, I'm opening my hands and I'm not clapping because you're going to be silent. Okay, now to practice with the violin, these are all open D, which is this string right here. So let's get into practice position. I lift my violin up. I'm going to place my thumb right here between the neck and the body of the instrument. Keep my fingers over here. Get my basic bow hold, thumb below here, captain hook here, middle finger and fourth here, and balancing my pinky. I'm going to place the bow toward the frog part on the D string to prepare myself. Okay, we'll take this slow. I'm going to give ourselves 4 beat counts before we start. So place the bow on the D string first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Stop your bow. You're at the tip now. 1, 2, 3, rest. We're at the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. Great. Again, please start practicing by starting with song number 1, my first song, preceded by song number 2, Notes and Rest. Make sure you're drawing the bow all the way from the frog to all the way to the tip. And you're going to do a down bow stroke, up bow stroke, down bow stroke, then rest. I will go ahead and do song number 2 while we're at it. Song number 2, Notes and Rest. Again, violin hold, bow hold. Here we go. Bow is on the D string at the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. I'm at the tip. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Make sure you're resting and you're not gonna draw the bow on the rest because the composer indicated there's a rest. So we must collectively as a group make sure we're silent at that point and your bows are stopped. Okay, I will review this in class next week and happy practicing.